Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're here at the Williams Park boat ramp just off of Tampa Bay, and today we've got the boat and we are going on a sunset cruise. So stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, like we said, we're here in the bay. Very excited to be here. We haven't been out on the boat for a minute. Lewis has spent a couple weeks fixing it up based upon our last go-around. I'll let him tell you all more about all that kind of stuff. But I do think we're going to have a good time. So we're going to go on out and head on out to the bay. We did bring our swimsuits and stuff, but it might be too cold. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, it should be a good time. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins, maybe manatee. I did read recently that there was a big old great white shark seen not too far out from St. Pete, so I don't know. It would be kind of cool to see a great white shark. I think he was like 13 foot. If I can find the Instagram post, I'll put it here. But yeah, good times. All right, let's go. And as a friendly reminder, do not forget to pay to park when you come to this boat ramp. It's like $5. So launch your boat, then pay to park, as Lewis is doing now. Okay. All right, guys, we're officially on the water. If you watched our last video, you know that someone who shall remain nameless lost our 360. But good news, we have purchased a new one. So Lewis can tell you all about that.
Well, honestly, I think this is going to come out probably before the video that I lost it.
Oh, is it?
Possibly, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we got a brand new Insta360. We went with the the X4 Air, so it's the lighter one. It's not at all sponsored by Insta360. I actually reached out to them, didn't hear back, but yeah, so it's a slightly newer, a little bit bigger sensor. Should be a better quality, and it's definitely lighter. And then we also got a cage for it this time, so hopefully we can get like a real tether on there that doesn't snap. We'll see.
Yeah, so we took this jet skis out with some friends, and I don't know, I think we just hit too much chop, and the carbon fiber pole just snapped and we lost it, so it's insane. Anyway, we are heading on out, as you guys can see, heading on this way, and I think the plan is to stop by Beer Can Island.
Yeah, we're going to do some cruising around the bay, stop by Beer Can Island, watch the sunset. You know, kind of a nice relaxing Friday evening.
Yeah. So, coming at you. This is the second Friday in a row we've been on the water. Last Friday is when we lost the 360, so good times. All right, let's get going.
Here we go. We hit a rogue wave.
Yeah, you hit a rogue wave. Alright, onward. Alright guys, and just like that, we're at Beer Can Island. So if you know, you know about Beer Can. It's kind of like the lore of, some like lore about Tampa Bay, right? So I think someone has bought this island, right? And they were gonna like have some sort of like community here, but I don't know if that's actually happened or not. But anyway, you can come here. There's like some inflatables and stuff. I think it's a pay-per-use. I don't think it's free, but that said, I can tell you something that is free. Right across from Beer Can is the Tico Apollo Beach Center, and there you actually can view manatees during like the cold months, because the manatees go there to get warm, because the power plant is, they make the warm water to cool down the plant. So yeah, good times. That's what happened.
Cut my foot. I'm not gonna show you guys because you're not paying me. But yeah, that's why jet skis are, because we wear shoes on jet skis. You don't wear shoes on a boat.
Oh, you are bleeding. Oh my goodness. If you are gonna come to Beer Can, since this is kind of like a party area, I would wear shoes. I think people probably don't think about it themselves. They drop glass, and I think Lewis cut his foot with some glass. So yeah, and he's dropped some alcohol on it. How's that feel?
That's great.
This is also why you should have a first aid kit on your boat, and link down below where you can get one off of Amazon. Thanks for using our affiliate links. Love you.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Bubos.
Dinner of champions. This ain't dinner for sure. This ain't doing it. But
You even like those.
I don't, which is where you have them, so she keeps packing them, so I keep eating them. So it is super nice to have a boat and be able to come out here and enjoy the sunset on a weekday. You know, easy to get in and out. You don't need to bring a bunch of stuff. You don't have to even get that wet. There is a boat behind us, but we're nearly one of the last people here. The only other boat here is the folks over there that actually run the island. Nice thing about a boat is, you know, you have nighttime navigation lights. So if it's an area you're familiar enough with, we've boated and jet skied in this area so many times. You know, we have navigation as well. You turn on your navigation lights and you can ride home in the dark. It's no big deal. Can't do that on a jet ski, so get to enjoy sunsets like this. All right, so we just watched an amazing sunset. It's still going down a little bit on the other side of the island, so we're gonna scoot on over there so we can finish watching the sun dip behind the horizon. Get some last minute 360 shots with the camera here of the boat cruising in the sunset. We're gonna head on home. So, see you back at the ramp. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous sunset. Alright, so another beautiful night, beautiful sunset. It's, you know, getting a little dark, but we're still all good. Got the lights on and everything anyways, but here's the dock. We made it. Obviously, like I said, we could stay out later if we wanted to, but there's really no reason. We've been out, we actually have driven all the way across the bay here at dark. And it's really not too bad because there's so many shipping lanes and everything, lots of buoys that light up, so we'll link that video in the description down below if you want to check that out, us navigating Tampa Bay completely in the dark. But at least for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the buoys out and get this thing up out of the water. But it's been a great day. The fender's out. But it's been a great day. Really enjoyed it. Nice way to end the work week. So if you liked the video, go ahead and hit like. Go ahead and hit subscribe while you're down there. Really appreciate it. Really helps us out. With that being said, we're out of here. And we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Enjoying yourself?
Let's get everything put away. No weeks on here.
Alright guys.
Too, like as we were fixing it, I'm like, man, you know,
do all this work and I don't even enjoy
I'm excited
it.
to get it out. If you had something to say, you hand me the camera.
No, I couldn't get the camera.